Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to teach the JS map method. So first of all, we need to know what it is. Like we are going to be using the map method. Okay. So first of all, what it does, map method creates a new array. Okay. It creates a new array from calling a function for each array element. So for example, if you have an array, so let me give. So I'm just using a numbers array. Sorry, just numbers like this, and it can have some random numbers like maybe 2 5 4 like 6 like this. And then what I'm going to use, I'm going to modify each array element like these three numbers, and I'm going to do that using the map method. Okay, so let's do that. So for doing that, what I can do, I can create a new array. So okay, so I just realized I typed it wrong. Okay, so I'm going to name it like new numbers. Okay, so these new numbers I'm going to assign. So we can do it in two ways. So first of all, let me show you. If we want to do it directly in here and assign two new numbers, or we can create a separate functions for that. Okay, so numbers is our main array, right? So and I'm going to apply this map method, and in the map method I can simply create an anonymous callback function. So the callback function is like that, and there I can calculate, or I can simply directly return certain things. So what I'm going to do in this case, so I'm going to use these numbers. Okay, so for that, this num, I'm passing the num argument in the as the argument of this anonymous function, so that we can simply multiply that num maybe times 5. So what it will do is it will multiply each number from, or each element from this array by 5. Okay, and now I want to return it. So now if I want to, for example, uh, I can simply show the array to get the output. Okay, so I can show the array. So basically so I'm in CodePen, so let me create a div like this. So maybe I can create a div, and I'm just going to show the output of what we have done here. So I'm going to give it an ID of like demo, and I'm going to give it empty, and here I'm simply going to select it. So document dot get element by ID, and I'm going to use that ID of demo. Okay, dot inner HTML. So inner HTML is a property that we can use to assign some value to certain element, right? So, and I'm simply going to assign the new numbers here, and hopefully we'll get our desired output. Let's wait. I didn't save that. Okay, I didn't get the output. So I need to debug. I think I overdid this thing, so I didn't do all this thing. All I needed to do is like simply add things in here, and that should be it. Okay, let me wait. Yeah, now it's multiplied. So what map does, it essentially creates a new array from the old array. And what we use it for, we use map for uh, modifying the elements of an array. So in React it's very useful. So we modify array elements using map method. Just remember this. Okay, just remember this. So why do we need it in React? That is another good question that you may think. We in React we use something called like JSX. In there we simply, JSX is like HTML and JS combined together, where we can iterate through many things using this map method. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.